Check it out, YouTube. I just got back from the barber supply store. I caught me 2 new toys. Baby, I know you're probably gonna be mad. I'm sorry, I love you. But like I was saying, I caught me 2 new toys. I got me the silverfx and I got me the new silverfx skeleton trimmer from Babyliss. So we finna go inside, unbox them and see what they're working with. Let's get it. All right, so check them out. Here's the silverfx right here. I can't read that because it's in some different language. Boom. Stainless steel housing, a brushless motor with long life, dual offset weights, twice the massaging efficiency of other brands, flexible coil straps, lithium battery, a 60-minute runtime, high-low, so it's got 2 speeds on it, and it's dual voltage cord and it's cordless. So that's that. We finna open that one up. Let's check it out. I'm at my boy Joe's station right now because my station has a lot of stuff on it, so. Now I got it, there we go. So we're gonna open this thing real quick. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand. I don't see how half of these YouTubers be doing it. Open this up. So we got the manual. A lot of people don't read this. I don't read it. Comes with a nice little carrying case. Okay. Here's the merchandise. Here's the merch right here. Here's that bad boy right here. So y'all see it comes with a charger. Looks like it might be the same charger as the other stuff Babyliss got, but we're gonna find out. Let's take this out the wrapping. Okay. I ain't gonna turn it on yet. Because I'm a strong believer of letting it charge all the way up before you turn these things on. So I'm gonna put it in the charge in a minute, and then we're gonna check how it works in a little bit. But yeah, so it comes with that. You got your charger. You got a nice little carrying bag with it. And that's basically it. You got your manual, but no one really cares about that. So let's move this out the way and get on to the next piece of merchandise. Oh wait, and it comes with a sticker. Ooh, it's a vibe. All right, we got these bad boys right here. The silverfx. Everyone's like, ain't that the same thing as the gold FX? I guess technically yes, but no, because it comes with a different blade. So we're gonna check out the back. Check it out. A graphite deep tooth, 2mm T-blade, 0 gap tool included, 360 exposed T-blade, high torque brushless Ferrari design engine, all metal housing. It's got that barbell grip, you know, so we could lift weights and we can get swole up in here while we're cutting hair. You know what I'm saying? Lithium ion battery, 2-hour runtime. That's like pretty generic for all the clippers. It runs cord or cordless, and then it's got a hanging hook. So we finna open this. Let's get a little closer, Eric. And check this out. All right. Okay. So this is fresh out the box. I ain't messed with it. I just took it out the box. Like I said, I'm a firm believer of not turning these things on. So I'm gonna put this to charge first. But that's the clipper. You know, it's got that graphite 2.0 blade. I think that they actually had another graphite blade that they never released. I remember seeing it online, but I didn't really see anybody with it but the influencers. So let's see what it comes with. I won't need that. So this also comes with the manual that we ain't gonna use. Comes with a nice little Babyliss sticker. So right here we got the little the cover for the blade, that way it don't break. Got a little bit of oil. Got to keep the clippers oiled up. A little brush. We got these nice little screwdrivers right here. And then we got right here is the 0 gapping tool. I really don't use this. Only thing I use out of this little tool is the screwdriver. So what you need to do is you get that screwdriver and you see them screws under there. You unscrew them and then you just push this blade up and I screw them back. I don't even use the tool. Some people do. I don't. I like to eyeball it and get it as close as I feel is good. But yeah, so I'm gonna charge these things, we're gonna put them to work, and we're gonna let y'all know how they work. All right, guys. So I have been using these 2 new products from Babyliss for the rest of the day. For the massager, I've only used it about 3 times a day. So y'all check that out. So far, I like it. Check out the high speed and low speed. So far, like I said, I like it. It works pretty good. I've used it on the high setting and the low setting, and they both work pretty good. Obviously, the high setting is a little more intense than the low setting, but they both work good. My client said that you can really tell, you know, I'm trying to add more to my services. So obviously, that's a good thing. That's one of the reasons why I decided to purchase this. So I actually got this off of a local barber supply store. It's called Pachuha Barber Supply off of Lawndale. So that's where I got this at. I think he said they had 1 more in stock. I actually post their Instagram and the link in the description. I'm not sure when he's gonna get more, but they have like I said, 1 more. I will post when they're gonna get more. So as of right now, I would say this is a good purchase. I like it. I think my client's gonna enjoy it. So if you're a client and you get a beard trim, you're gonna be getting this. So I hope you're gonna like that. Now, as far as the silverfx, the skeleton, as of right now, I would say it's a good buy. I have not zero gapped the blade yet. It's just still fresh out the box, and it hits pretty good. I've used it. It's balded out pretty good. It's edged up pretty good. You see that? It's really not too loud. It doesn't snag. If you have the gold effects, I know for some people, it tends to snag on some hair. So far, this one has not done that, so I hope it doesn't. Like I said, it's not loud. I know the gold effects, mine got loud. I had to change the blade like twice on them. So I hope they fix that issue and these do not get loud. And if they don't, then they really came up, you know what I'm saying? So all in all, I would say this is also a good purchase. Got it from the same spot. I got both of these items today. So this is just my first initial review on these. I will be giving a full extensive review after about a week or so of using these. You know, I'll let you know if there's any cons to using both of these. As of right now, I love them. They work good. I'm sure my clients like them, and I'm sure my future clients gonna like them. So Babyliss right here, they hitting. These are the hitters right here. And then the Babyliss massager works great. So that's my initial thoughts for these 2 products. Like I said, I will be giving a more extensive review after I've used them for a while. That way I can give y'all some more details on them. But as of right now, that's really all I got to say about them. I like them, so I think they're a good purchase. So all of YouTube, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Please comment, like, subscribe. Remember, to all my clients who are subscribed to this channel, once I hit 200 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing a raffle, and I'm gonna be giving away a month's worth of free haircuts. So basically, it's 4 haircuts to 1 lucky subscriber. And once I reach higher subscribers, you know, 500 or 1,000, to the rest of my subscribers who are barbers, etc., I'll be doing giveaways with clippers. You know, maybe a massager. Maybe like a free one-on-one class. You know, I'm gonna be trying to give away a lot of stuff. So y'all spread the word. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, share, let everybody know what's going on. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Until next time, YouTube, I appreciate y'all.